What is up, my beautiful family, beautiful people? Oof. Today I got another one for you. I'm going to show you how to change typical bathroom faucet over to your typical Delta faucet. 4-inch spread, not an 8. Okay, 8 would be like handle. Faucet handle. And I already have a video of doing an 8-inch spread on my channel, so if you haven't found it, go in there and find it. I don't know how to do that link stuff, I'm not super smart, but anyways, here's some tools you'll need for the job. Either a faucet tool or a basin wrench or your mitts. We're going to need something to disconnect the supply line, so I'll use my ratcheting crescent. If you don't have one of those, 5/8 box wrench will work just fine, no problems. And to be honest, you're not really going to need any much more than that. First things first, turn the waters off. Boom, boom, open it, boom, boom. Okay, throw down whatever it is you're going to use to catch water. Disconnect your supply line from the angle stop. It's going to have water in it. Right there on the diaper. Boom. Disconnect the other one. Let's have some water in that one. Once you got those off, you're going to come under here and you're going to take your basin wrench or your faucet tool like I showed you, and you are after the other end of the supply line, not the faucet nut, not that guy, this guy, and this guy. And then we will be disconnecting this guy. Alright, so I'm going to come in here. I'm going to get this bad boy on there. I'm going to feed it some onions just like that. And boom. So we're going to come to the other side. Look at your safety glasses. Or if you're an idiot like me, just do some safety squints and you'll be alright. Tight one, huh? That's alright. I'm tight. Alright. Boom. This is what you're going to want your basin wrench for, or a nice heavy pair of mitts that I don't have. So I'm going to cheat and I'm going to use my faucet tool. In case you're wondering where you can get this nifty tool, you can pick them up at Home Depot. No clue if they're at Hayes or Lowe's, but I know the Depot's got them. I got mine from Ferguson Plumbing Supply. So if you got that store around, you can go there. Alright. Faucet number 1. Faucet nut number 1. Faucet nut number 2. Boom. Take that off. Use your little crescent wrench to get this little nut right here. Should have did the nut before. I can slide this back on like that so it don't move. Do your nut that first so it doesn't move around on you. So that slides off. That's going to stay in the faucet. That's part of your pop-up assembly. You know, if you missed it, just rewind the video. Just go back some, and you'll see it. Okay. Boom. Throw that away. Get yourself a way to clean up all the old plumber's putty. Yep, just comes right off. Paper towel or whatever. Right down where I'm working. Yeah, so I lay in it. That's the spirit. Seems like the right thing to do. Small piece of toy. Some booty wipage. Okay, she's almost pretty enough to go to the ball with me. Alright. Alright, so if you open up your box and you got one of those, that is going to be pop-up assembly. Okay, and I already have that in my 8-inch spread video. But since this pop-up assembly is not leaking and it's already a Delta, we're not even going to change it because we don't need to. And it wasn't in the bid, so it's going to stay. You need your shank. These are garbage. Throw those away. Trash. Always save the papers there, fellers. Always save the papers. Unbox your new faucet. Fancy, fancy. Drop it in. Make sure it seats. Seats. Grab your nuts. Practice doing this one-handed while video recording, so, you know, everything just goes real easy. That's right. I struggle so you guys can learn, so learn from me. Yep. Put those on there like so. Don't go reefing them on there. Just hang on there, fellas. Look. Snug. Snug. Now we check to see if the faucet is straight. I like it. Yup. So then what you could do is you could, you know, get the tool up under there like that while you're up here staring at the faucet, give it the great old reach around and see if I could, you know, get her just snug, snug, burp, burp, snug, yeah? All right, give me a second. Yep, she's on. All right, next step. Grab your new supply lines if you have them. If you want to use the old ones, don't worry about it, fellas. They're reusable. You can reuse them. Just check your washers. Now, in case you guys don't know this, here's an interesting thing. On my other channel, Off-Roadigans, if you haven't heard of it, go watch it right now. Why are you even wasting time watching the rest of my plumbing video? I save all of these steel braided supply lines because these are Teflon based and you can use them as fuel lines in your car. And they look snazzy and they're next to nothing in the money compared to an actual fuel line. If you watch my channel, you know I don't be spending lots of money on nothing. Alright, back to the plumbing. Smack this on here with one hand so you can't line it up or get it threaded. Seems like the right thing to do. Use my camera to help me out here. That's the spirit. I should have brought the tripod. Put that on there like that. You don't have to go crazy with them, guys. Don't be that guy. Especially if you're working with CPVC. I'm working with PEX / Wurzbo or PEX or whatever you want to call it. The polyethylene cross, okay? So I'm not worried about it. You pull-ups with that stuff. And I know you can because I got a Wurzbo pull-up bar in my van. Yup. Okay. Hook these bad boys back up. Hot on the left, cold on the right. Hot on the left. More one-handed work. Seems like the right thing to do. And probably good enough for the chicks we date. The old snug mitten. Grab this damn thing and give her some onions. Just feed her a little bit of onion, alright? Not too much, maybe more like a couple radishes, but just make sure she's not coming off of there. That's the spirit. This one on here. One-handed. Watch the eyes now. Watch the eyes. Watch the eyes. Alright, there it is. There it is. Yep. Yep. Got that on there. Alright. Come on now, girl. Hurry. Yep. Perfect. Seems right, feels right, looks right. Seems right, feels right, looks right. Alright, so bam, 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 bam. You're probably wondering what I'm going to do about this. Nothing. I'm just going to leave it because that seems like the right thing to do. Pretend I never saw it. Nope. Can't do that. Dang it. See how it's bent? The bend goes towards the wall. Like so. So when you hook this up, this thing's actually going to stick out. Don't bury it like that, alright? Because then it makes it really funky when they come out. If you go too far, then it don't even want to come out. Look at that. Alright, so we just want something like that, right? That's what's in the picture, right? Let's look at the picture. It's definitely not what they show in the picture. But that wouldn't make sense because damn thing just, it don't come out when you have it. Nope, I'm going back to my rule of thumb. We're sticking with one of those. That way it goes. Yep, that feels right. Looks right, feels right, looks right, feels right. Looks right, feels right, seems right, probably right. Probably not. Don't lose that. Okay, so this is not going to be easy. We're going to slide this on here. Already not easy. There it is. Alright, now you kind of feel the bend is right there. So we want this. See how it's lined up with that hole? Perfect. So this is going to be so hard to do. How could I set this up so that you can see what to do? Alright, check it out, check it out, check it out. I can do this. One hole goes in. Then you put that on, and you squeeze this together. Yeah, just like that. That's money, baby. So look, tab, bar, tab. I've seen this installed so many different times. And then you can come up here and you can just lift this up, slide this over, and get it back down. Oh, more one-handed nonsense. It's the spirit. Line that up. Boom. And then you can line this back in line with that. Alright, now this is snug. We can go up there, adjust our height by making sure that's all the way open. This is gonna make that lever sticking out is gonna be down. Then we can adjust this. Like that, so that when we pull up on it, it's gonna be free. Alright, now if you did it right, that bad boy should be right about where that bad boy is. That's the spirit. Alright, now you're ready to come down here, crack your water on. If you have galvanized piping, turn it on slow. Like I said, I'm not working with that right now. Look at that. Ooh. Turn that to safe. That is a wrap. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. Thank you for watching another video. Don't forget, this is iPhone. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And I will see you soon so I can teach you how to be a badass weapon former in your own house. Peace.